another way of using this barley, kung kayo nauumay na sa pag-inom ng juice, gawin nyo po siyang smoothie. Lagyan mo ng saging. And then, eto po, medyo marami kami, hindi lang isang taong iinom, kaya gagawa siya ng mas marami. Ayan, pangalawang sachet na yan. Okay. And then, add powdered milk for more creaminess. And dagdag nutrients pa yan. Protein. Yan. Add 1 glass of water. It's up to you kung gusto mo malabnaw or malapot. How many glasses of water are you going to put? This is the same.